In this video, we're going to discuss how employees returning to the office can be a huge benefit for you and your recruiting agency. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So returning to the office right now is the latest rave across the globe. And part of the reason is because of the pandemic. During that time frame, almost all employees had the opportunity, outside of essential workers, of course, to work from home. And that virtual work created an opportunity for a lot of people to really recognize the balance that came with being able to work from the same location that they live. Many employees adjusted their lifestyles throughout this time frame, and ultimately returning to the office is going to be a huge toss-up on how individuals are feeling. While some may be super excited to return to the office on a more consistent basis and connect with others, there's still a huge group of individuals out there who would prefer to work from home for a variety of reasons. Maybe it has to do with productivity, maybe it has to do with their work-life balance, or maybe it just has to do with them being able to be very conscious about how they spend time with themselves, others, as well as even their children. So with that being stated, as companies continue to push employees back to the office, it's important for you to understand how this trend is going to benefit you and your recruiting agency. The most important thing to keep in mind is that not everyone is going to return to the office. This means that although companies are putting together their policies and putting all of their systems in place to potentially monitor employees and who's going to the office and when, it's important to understand that there's going to be a group of individuals who are simply not going to do it, especially with some organizations even potentially requiring employees to relocate to higher cost living areas. With this said, it's going to create opportunities for attrition or turnover, which means that employees are going to leave organizations for the simple fact that they would rather focus on the benefits of them continuing to be able to work from home versus going into the office and taking on maybe some of those cons that they did in the past. Now, with higher levels of attrition or turnover, it's going to create opportunities where hiring is going to commence or even increase. With that being stated, this means that there's going to be more requisitions out there. And with more requisitions comes more opportunities for you to be able to get a hold of those in order to be able to advance your recruiting agency. This could mean you working with current clients that you do have and just simply taking on more requisitions, or finding new clients and then taking on those new requisitions that they would have. Ultimately, it's hard to predict how much attrition or turnover returning to the office is going to create. But it's important to understand that it's going to create another movement within the market that's going to give you the opportunity to really be able to capitalize on this. Now, ultimately, I am not siding any one way. I see all of the benefits of not returning to the office, but I also do see all of the benefits of returning to the office as well. No matter what your opinion is in regards to this topic, it's important for you to understand the strategic aspects behind it that could ultimately affect your business. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. As well as if you're not subscribed to my channel, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that do drop weekly. As well as my Facebook group. If you're not in there, then I encourage you to join because we're in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.